The topic of today's sermon is many prefer wickedness to appreciating God. Today, people prefer wickedness to appreciating God. Why? Because they are using wickedness to suppress and stifle the truth. Whoever that is using evil to repress and hinder the truth prefers wickedness to appreciating God. Most of the leaders of the nations across the globe are using injustice to silence the truth. Now I have a question. Are they using anything that is morally wrong to crush the truth in your church? Anyone who is using his or her sinful lifestyle to conceal the truth will not go unpunished. If you are utilizing your evil ways to prevent the truth from being known, it means you prefer wickedness to appreciating God. People who are using dishonesty to render the truth dumb and inoperative will be penalized. The best way to demonstrate that you prefer appreciating God to wickedness is to make honesty and transparency your watchword. Therefore, do not put a shroud over the truth. The Bible attested to this fact in the book of Romans, chapter 1, verse 18. And now read, "For the wrath of God is revealed from heaven against all ungodliness and unrighteousness of men, who suppress the truth in unrighteousness." Do not push away the truth from you if you do not want the anger of God to come upon you. May the Lord bless his words.